In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run ads on Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set up a campaign from scratch, choose the right objective, target the right people, and publish an ad that's ready to go live. First, open Ads Manager. Log into Facebook, click the menu icon, the three horizontal lines, and select Ads Manager. This is your control center for campaigns. Once you're in, click the Create button to start a new campaign. If you're on desktop, everything is laid out in steps, so just follow the prompts on screen. Next, choose your campaign goal. Pick the objective that matches what you want most. Messages is great if you want people to inquire directly in your inbox. Engagement is best when your goal is more likes, comments, and interactions on your posts. Traffic is ideal if you want to send people to a website or landing page. Sales, sometimes called conversions, is for when you're ready to track purchases or signups. If you're unsure, think about the action you want someone to take after seeing your ad and select accordingly. Now set your audience. Define the location where your customers are. This can be a city, region, or country. Choose the age range and gender that fit your ideal buyer. Then add interests that describe what your audience cares about. Things like fashion, cleaning, fitness, or home decor. Keep it relevant and specific. A focused audience often performs better than one that's too broad, especially when starting out. Let's set your budget. You can choose a daily budget or a lifetime budget. A daily budget spreads your spend evenly each day, while a lifetime budget distributes it across the date range you set. If you're new, start small. Around P100 to P300 per day is a good testing range. You can always scale up once you see what works. Time to create the ad. Select the Facebook page you want to advertise from. Upload a photo or video that clearly shows your product or message. Write a concise, benefit-focused caption that explains why someone should care. Add a clear headline that reinforces the main point. Finally, choose a call to action button that fits your goal, such as send message for inquiries or shop now for purchases. Before you publish, review everything: objective, audience, budget, and ad preview. To make sure it looks right on mobile and desktop, click Publish. Facebook will review your ad, which typically takes up to 24 hours. Once approved, your ad will start delivering and you'll see performance inside Ads Manager. That's it. You've launched your Facebook ad.